In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from Weebly to Godaddy. This process might seem a little technical, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step smoothly and efficiently. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Weebly account. Once you're in, head over to the account settings. This is usually symbolized by a gear icon located in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the General Settings page. On this page, scroll down until you find the Domains tab. Click on it, and you'll see a list of any domains you have associated with your Weebly account. Now, it's important to make sure your domain is unlocked before initiating the transfer. You'll see an option to unlock your domain. Clicking this will change the status from locked to unlocked, allowing it to be transferred to another hosting service such as Godaddy. Make sure to save these changes. Along with unlocking the domain, it's also crucial to obtain the authorization code, often referred to as the EPP code, from Weebly. This code is necessary for transferring your domain to any new host. You should find a button labeled Get Authorization Code right there in the domain settings. Click this, and make sure to save this code somewhere secure, as we'll need it shortly. With the authorization code in hand, open a new browser tab and log into your Godaddy account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Domains section by clicking on the menu in the upper right corner and selecting Manage Domains. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Transfer Domain. Select this, and you'll be prompted to enter the domain name you're transferring. Enter your domain and click on Next. The system may now ask for the authorization code you previously obtained from Weebly. Enter your code here. You'll see an option to include any additional transfer settings. These could range from keeping your domain contact information private to renewing your domain for an additional year. Go ahead and make the selections that suit your needs, then proceed to checkout to finalize and pay for the transfer. Once you've made the purchase, Godaddy will send an email to confirm the transfer request. Keep an eye out for this email, it usually arrives within a few minutes. Open the email and follow the included instructions to complete the process. It might take a few days for the transfer to finalize, as domain registrars must verify and complete the handover. Congratulations! You've successfully initiated the transfer of your domain from Weebly to Godaddy. Don't forget, while the steps themselves are straightforward, patience is key, as these sorts of processes can take some time on the back end. Thanks for watching, and happy domain transferring.